So now I will talk about the foreign physical examination form. If you don't know about it, no matter, you don't have to make a lot of research, you don't have to waste a lot of time for it. I will make it so much clear for you and so much easy for you. So if you want to come to China for higher study, then you have to fill up a physical examination form showing that you are physically fit to come to China. There is no problem with you, no big problem with you actually, and there are some medical tests that you have to do. So if you don't know from where you have to download the foreign physical examination form, in the video description you can find out the link to download the foreign physical examination form. You just click on the link and a PDF file will be downloaded from the website, and you have to print that PDF file. So you have completed printing that PDF file. Now what to do? Now you have to do some medical test. You have to make this test by going to any government medical or any good private medical college hospital. So you have to do this test like VDRL, chest X-ray, ECG, hepatitis B, HIV/AIDS, and if you don't know about your blood group, then you have to test your blood group. So after completing this test, then you have to go to some doctors who are authorized to attest you the foreign physical examination form. So you have this test result, you have the PDF file of the foreign physical examination form. So on that PDF file, I want to show you something that you have to be careful about. So let's see. So here I want to show you my previous foreign physical examination form. As you can see that this is an image file. I have scanned my foreign physical examination form, and in that form you can see that a lot of information about me. Don't fill up this information at first. When you meet with a doctor, then ask him that whether he want any help to fill up this basic information or not. There are two places to attest by the doctor. One place is on the photo in here. So you just use some gum to put your photo in here, and you tell your doctor to attest on your photo, and you have to give one hand signature on here. So this thing is very much important, remember that. On the next page you can see that at the finishing part, the doctor will tell something just like he is physically, mentally fit, he is normal, he have no any kind of problem, these kind of things. The physician need to give his hand signature in here, the official stamp should be put in here, and the date of signature should be in here. So these are the things that you have to be careful about. So it's very much easy to make. So the main thing you have to be careful about signature and stamp on your photo, and on the second page, the last part, the signature, suggestion and stamp and the date. So these are the main important thing of foreign physical examination form. So you have seen that where to attest and how to fill up the foreign physical examination form is very much easy. No need to be panic about it. So after doing the foreign physical examination form, don't throw away your medical test reports. If you come to China, then you have to bring those medical reports with you. It's so much supportive. I hope that this video was informative for all of you. If any of your friend or relatives or anyone want to apply for Chinese government scholarship, or anyone want to study in China, please share these videos with them. And I have plenty of videos on scholarship in my YouTube channel. You can go and sort it out. So I will catch you in my next video. Till then, stay cool and peace. I'm gonna moving on. I look back and see all my dreams are laying where you are. So wait for me to come home. I'm already on my way. And you can also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notification about every video I will publish in future. I'm already on my way.